Cheating in online interviews is a real problem. Not just that it burns a lot of productive hours of recruiting teams, it also makes us question the online interview format for remote hiring. And just because the problem is subjective and hard, it doesn't mean it cannot be solved. We cannot ask companies to go back to office for interviews, and offline interviews are very costly. And we decided to solve this problem. We built Sherlock as a desktop software that candidates needed to install before starting the interview. Today, I'm proud to share that Sherlock requires no installation. We built Sherlock completely installation free. Sherlock now connects with your Google Calendar or Microsoft Calendar or Apple Calendar and joins the interview that you are conducting. Another thing that I want to share is Sherlock is designed to be completely frictionless. Neither candidate nor interviewer has to do anything. No setup required, no installation required. Sherlock is an autonomous agent that joins your calendar interview and protects it. And lastly, Sherlock is not just a police. Sherlock is also a friend. If interviewer and the candidate mutually decides to use AI during the interview, Sherlock understands that. Sherlock is contextually aware. It would understand how well candidate has used AI to solve a problem. In the next few weeks, Sherlock would also start taking notes for you. So think of Sherlock as an interview note taker as well. We're excited to make more updates in Sherlock and keep you updated. If interview fraud is a problem for you, please check out with Sherlock.ai, and we are always available to help you implement a safe and secure interviewing process. Thank you.